Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In this video, we are going to discuss about one stock for buy and one stock for sell for tomorrow's trading session. That would be on 7th of February, friends. So friends, in the previous video, we have given ITC for a buy. In the first candle itself, there was a straight target hit. This was the target. Okay. It started above that, came down, and in the second candle it hit the target. Okay, coming back to the sell stock, we had chosen HDFC Life. We said that below this, okay, we would go ahead and sell when it is crossing this trend line straight to the target and sideways. Even ITC was sideways after that. Simple reason, friends, you can see Nifty, Banknifty was also sideways, friends. So see, Banknifty of Nifty formed a high and a low in first 15-20 minutes. Throughout the day it was sideways. Same thing with Bank Nifty, it formed a high, it formed a low within first half an hour, 45 minutes, and throughout the day it was there. So in this kind of market, option buyers did not gain anything, friends. Only people that gained money was option sellers. Those of us who sold this call and this put throughout the day sat and ate the premium. That's what happened. Coming back to the analysis, what has happened here is in Nifty, this is a trend line that we are waiting for a break, friends. Okay, once this trend line breaks is when we can create buy positions. Otherwise, we can wait for this particular level to break. Okay, this level, so you can see this level is even here. Okay, this was acting like a support before, it is acting like a resistance now. So once this area is broken and it starts going upwards, that is when this trend line will break. That is when we can go ahead and enter into buy position. Now what I am guessing is most of us who have seen my previous video with this kind of a Fibo here, okay, they might have selected or chosen or bought calls here at this levels. Okay, and that calls did perform, but not really very well for it to go, double, triple, 20-30% hike. No, nothing like that happened. It was just sideways most of the time. Similar was the case for Bank Nifty. We can see that it has crossed the last level of retracement also. Now it is going to go up. But again, same thing. If I draw this Fibo till here, and instead of here, if I am drawing it from here, this is the recent swing low and the recent swing high. You can see that it took its rejection exactly at this level, which is the second level of retracement, 38.2. From here it started going up, went till here, and again fell down, friends. Now towards the end, there is something that happened here. There was a kind of a head and shoulder pattern that it formed. Okay, now if it goes ahead and breaks this is a trend line that will give it support. Okay, see, where is this trend line coming? This trend line is coming from the bottom, and at the end of this trend line, okay, where it's going to take support, there is also our 50% rejection zone, friends. So most ideally it will take support here, and then if you see any kind of a breakout of this particular trend line somewhere here with a nice little green candle with good volumes, okay, like this, if you see any breakout, that's when we can create buy positions for first target, second target, and final target, friends. That's how we would be creating buy positions. Coming to sell positions, we would wait for at least this trend line to break, friends. Okay, now when I'm saying this trend line, the reason is simple. Once this trend line is broken, that very well means that 61.8 levels are gone. Okay, once 61.8 levels are gone, we can straight expect this as your first target and this as your second target. Final target would be here, friends. I don't think it will come till here. That's how we would be trading in Bank Nifty for tomorrow's trading session. Coming to our buy stock for tomorrow, we are choosing HCL Tech for a buy for a simple reason, friends. First of all, this was the starting. It closed almost at the starting. So if I'm looking at a day chart, you will see a candle which is called a flystone doji. Okay, so the attempt of going down clearly failed here. Okay, coming back to 5 minutes, Second important thing that we see is, see if I am drawing this particular line like this, okay, somewhere here. Let me redraw it. Okay, so let's draw a box, friends, instead of a line. So you can see this area, okay, whenever it was coming to this area, because it was taking rejection, so this was your strong support zone. Finally what happened is it turned out to be a resistance zone here, and possibility of turning out to be a resistance zone here was very high. But did it really happen? The answer is no. It went ahead and closed at, it actually broke the resistance zone and closed here. Now what we would do, we would create a buy position here with a small stop loss just below this resistance line, and we would have nice targets. Target number 1 is this, target number 2 is here, target number 3 is here. So 52, 1154 and 1157 would be our targets on upside. Reason number 2, this is your support and resistance concept. Reason number 2, when I am drawing a Fibо from the recent bottom, which is here, to the recent top, we can see that it has taken its rejection from the 50% level, friends. Okay, whenever it takes resistance from 50% levels and continues to go upwards, that's when chances of hitting the top is the highest, friends. So let's wait and see for tomorrow if it goes ahead and hits that level. Okay, that's about your buy stock. Coming to the sell stock, we are choosing Nestle India for a sell. Now here you can see that major trend is negative, friends. So we have drawn a Fibo and it has come to 23.6 levels here after a very good upward momentum like this. Okay, it went straight down and then entire day it struggled to come till here. So one candle took entire day to cover up. So that's the reason we feel it is very weak. Reason number 2 is, you can see again like the previous one, if I draw a box here, this was your support zone, okay, till here. Whenever it was coming here, it was taking support and finally going up. After that, when it broke this support, whenever it is coming down is when it is whenever it is coming till here, it is going down again. Now as soon as it goes ahead and breaks this, comes below this area, we can go ahead and create shorts. What we can also do is we can draw this trend line and set, friends. As soon as this trend line is broken, we can create short position for target number 1 here, this area, target number 2, target number 1 is 19,000, target number 2 is 1890, 18,940, target number 3 is 18,840, friends. Now if Nifty and Bank Nifty are going upwards, will we select Nestle to sell? The answer is no. If we see any kind of bullishness in Nifty, Bank Nifty, we would go ahead and avoid our bearish stock. Okay, that's how we would be trading. If we see negativity in Bank Nifty, we will go ahead and choose Nestle for a sell. If we see positivity in Nifty, Bank Nifty, we have HCL Tech to buy. That's how we would be trading for tomorrow. I hope you liked the video, friends, and if you did, please hit that like button. Also subscribe to the channel and also share it with your friends, family members, basically anyone who would be interested to make money from stock market, friends. Thanks for watching and wish you a profitable tomorrow, friends.